Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize ribbon in Microsoft Publisher document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert or customize the ribbon. Go to the File menu and click the option. Then go to the Customize ribbon option and we can see here the ribbon. You can add or remove any ribbon. Now I add this web ribbon, developer ribbon or help. Now I remove the review ribbon, check mark of this and add-ins, etc. or mailings. Then click OK and we can see we customize this ribbon very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.